kids, welcome back to Kusum Play School, Kusum Bihar. So let's see how is looking capital and small cursive letters together, because in this video we are going to write all the letters together, then you will be able to know clearly. So first it is, you have to say this is which cursive letter. It is capital A. Okay, capital cursive A. Now in front of this we will write small a. As you know already, this is capital A and this is small a. Okay, now see next one. Next one you have to see and tell me what is this. You know, this is B for ball. Okay, and this is which letter, capital or small? This is capital cursive B. Okay, now let's see how can we write small cursive B. Okay, this is small cursive B. Okay, now see next letter, that's name is, what is that? Can you tell me? This is C. Okay, but I don't know this is which C. You have to tell me that this is capital or small. It is capital because all the capital letters maximum we write within 3 lines. So yeah, of course, this is capital cursive C. Now let's see next letter. That is, you have to say what is this? This is small cursive C. Okay, I think you know that properly because we have studied previously many times. After that there is one more letter. You have to tell me that what is this, because I am forgetting. Okay, this is D. Very nice. But this is which D? There are 2 D's, one capital and one small. So you have to tell me that this is which D? This is capital cursive D. Okay, now see next letter. You have to tell me, I'm not going to tell this name. This is small cursive D. Okay, this is capital D, capital cursive D, and this is small cursive D. Okay, now let's see next letter. Okay, you have to say this is which letter? This is E. Which E? It is capital cursive E. Like that we will write one more letter. You just tell me what is this. This is small cursive E. Okay, very nice. Well done. Now let's see next letter. That's name is, can you tell me what is this? This is capital cursive F. Nice. Next letter, can you tell me what is this? This is small cursive F. Okay, very good. After that, let's see which letter comes next. Okay, so can you tell me what is this? This is capital cursive G. Okay, now let's see one more letter. This is small cursive G. Okay, this is capital and this is small. Let's see next one. So you have to tell me that what is this? This is capital cursive H. Okay, now let's see what is this? This is small cursive H. Very good. Now next letter, can you tell me what is this? This is capital cursive I. Now let's see next letter. What is this? This is small cursive I. Okay, very good. Now just tell me what is this? This is capital cursive J. And this is small cursive J. Very nice. Well done, kids. So let's see next letter. That is after J, which letter comes? That's name is, okay, very good. This is, can you tell me? K for kite. This is K. Sorry, this is K. But I don't know this is which K. This is small or capital? Okay, this is capital. Very good. Now let's see how can we write a small cursive K. Okay, so I think this is a small cursive K. Right? Okay, nice. After that, there's next letter. That's name is capital cursive L. Okay, now let's see how can we write a small L. This is small cursive L. After that there is one more letter. Can you tell me what is that? This is capital cursive M, and this is small cursive N. Oh, sorry, M. Okay, Next letter, I don't know the name. I know only write. You can tell me that what is this? Okay, this is capital N, very nice. But this is cursive or not? Okay, this is capital cursive and very nice. Okay, so I'm making next letter, that is small cursive and very nice, kids. After that, there's one more letter. Can you tell me what is this? This is capital cursive O. Well done. And this is small cursive O. Okay. Next letter, that is capital cursive P. Okay. And in front of this, there is one more letter. Can you tell me what is this? Tell me. Okay, this is small cursive P. Okay, nice, very good. Okay, so after that, let's see which letter comes. After P, next letters come. That's name is. Can you tell me what is this? This is Q. But you don't tell that. You didn't tell that. This is which Q? Capital or small? Okay, this is small capital cursive Q. Okay, nice. And there's one more letter which is in front of this. This is small cursive Q. Okay. After that, there's next letter. That's name is. Can you tell me what is this? Okay, this is R. Nice. After that, there's next letter. What is this? This is R. Okay, very good. This is capital cursive R. This is small cursive R. Next letter, that is, you know, what is this? This is S. But you didn't tell that this is which S, capital or small. This is capital cursive S. Okay. Next letter, that is small cursive S. Okay. Next letter, that's name is. Can you tell me what is this? Tell me. This is okay. Tell me fast. I'm listening. Okay, this is capital cursive T. Nice. But I don't know how to write a small cursive. Can you tell me? Okay, am I writing good? Okay, nice. Thank you. So can you tell me this is which letter? This is small cursive letter. Small cursive T. This is capital T. And this is small cursive T. Okay, capital cursive T, small cursive T. Okay. So after T, next letter comes. That's name is, you know, it is U for umbrella. Okay, very good. After that, there's one more. What is this? This is small cursive U. Very good, kids. Now can you tell me what is this? Okay, this is V. Nice. This is small cursive V. Okay, this is capital cursive V and this is small cursive V. Okay. Okay, so after V, next letter comes. That's name is W. Okay, it is W, but it is which one? You didn't tell me. Okay, it is capital cursive. Nice. And can you tell me what is this? Okay, this is a small W, small cursive W. Okay. Okay, kids. So can you tell me which letter comes after W? After W, next letter comes. That's name is. Can you tell me what is this? Tell me. This is X. But I made one mistake here. You don't need to make this mistake that I wrote below side of this third line. You don't need to write. You can write like that only. Okay, because you're so smart, so you'll not make any mistake. Okay, this is wrong and this is right. Okay. But you didn't tell me that this is which letter, capital X, capital cursive X or small cursive X. Okay, this is capital. Okay, nice. This is capital cursive X. Now see, next letter, that's name is small cursive X. Okay, so this is capital and this is small. Next two letters there's left. That's name is. You just tell me, C, and tell me that this is which letter. Okay, you know, I think this is capital cursive Y. Y for yak. Okay, this is capital cursive Y. How can we write a small cursive Y? I think you know already. This is small cursive Y. Okay. Let's see last and our 26th letter of alphabets. That's name is. Okay, can you tell me what is this? This is Z. Okay, this is Z. But you didn't tell me that this is which. Every time you forget, you have to tell me that this is capital cursive Z. Okay, so let's see next letter. Can you tell me what is this, children? Okay, that's good. Okay, you're right. You got all the things properly. So that's all for today's class. Hoping you have done practice very well of all these capital cursive letters and capital small letters. Else you have any doubt, then you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Till then, bye-bye.